Jimin Yoongi, his voice is soft as usual. It's not wrong to say Jimin don't know how to talk with someone with tone. Yoongi look up, he look at him. Jimin pass him a small smile. Only he know how he control himself. He really wants him, but but he can't. If Jimin don't like what he do, Yoongi also stand up to see him. Both good and memories are flashing in front of their eyes. While they look at each other, Mrs. Min, both come in the reality. Jimin looking down and look into another side. Mrs. Min, I am saying we are also here, Mr. and Mrs. Min. Yoongi, Jimin feeling jealous, sit beside his mother and smile. Mrs. Min, now I don't let you go, hostess. Seriously, how you stay here? See what you did with yourself. Your own mother don't. Mrs. Jimin, yes, you set me by yourself. If I don't go today, you me out from the house, Mr. Park. What, really? Jimin, yes, she said, and I also don't want to stay here anymore. I have Mrs. Park, yeah, there is no need to come here again. I am done from him. Jimin, me too. Mr. Park, anyone tell me what happened? Jimin, ask from your wife. Mrs. Park, I am your mother also. Jimin, whatever, who roll his eyes. Mrs. Park, no one you here, you come with me. You come with me, huh? Jimin, I don't stay here anymore. Let's go now, Mrs. Min. They call us, we stay here for some time. Huh? Jimin, okay, as you said, they are talking and giggling with each other, but someone is totally silent. He's trying his, but spending his time happily with his family, and it's make him peace. But what's make him sad is not talking with him. When we are together, Jungi, without any word, I want the time back and only with you. But I know still Nona don't leave us. You said her she go far from here. But see, she come here again. You are thinking about his good and see, Jungi, what she did with him. Don't be so kind her. It's there. Huh? Nahi. It's been 3 years. We are far from each other. We didn't see each other. We didn't talk with each other. I don't want to lose again, Yoongi. So please hope so. If I give you chance, you won't repeat your mistake again. He thinking Mrs. Min call him Mrs. Min Jimin. How much your semesters are left? Jimin, only two, Mrs. Min. After that, you are free. Jimin nodded. Mr. Min, actually, I am thinking as Yoongi handle my all business. Now I want to spend my time with my so. Yoongi go London and handle our other branches also. It's take him year to stable there and then Jimin from a long time, and now I think it's the time to tell you, and I tell you because Jimin still have time, so he complete his studies. Then you call him. Yoongi look at Jimin, who is already looking at him. What she said, Yoongi, but Dad, I don't think it's good to leave Jimin here alone. Mr. Min, why alone? We are here, Mrs. Min. Jimin, now tell me. You now tell me what you want. If you want to go with Yoongi, you go and then complete your studies there. Yoongi looked at Jimin with hopeful eyes. What you said, Jimin, auntie? I do what Yoongi said. It's his choice. He said, and go from there, Mr. Min. He'll leave on you, Yoongi. Now, Yoongi, Dad, can you give us some time to think about it, please? Mr. Min, next week is conference. It's conference meeting. Jungi nodded. Jungi, I will be back after talking with him. He said, and girl with Lisa roll her eyes. Mr. Min, seeing them like this, I am thinking how they spent 3 years without each other. Mrs. Spy, it's their own choice. Yoongi come upstairs, he heard a sobbing voice, and no, it must be Jimin. He slowly come upstairs and see Jimin sit on the couch and sobbing his heart. Just see him sobbing, he take a step toward him. Jimin don't know Yoongi is here. Yoongi is here. Jimin, what you think about himself? Huh? Yoongi stop on his spot. Jimin, what you think he's he's first he mistake, and after that in 3 years he don't come to meet me also. How much heartless is he don't me, it's true, and look at me, I am like there is no tomorrow. He don't even miss me in these 3 years, and what I expected he take a stand for me. He said them he want to stay with me. No way, it's never happened. Now I think I have to accept the reality. He never do, as it's not effect on him. I stay with him or go away from him. He is not that the Jungian I know the first day I meet him. All this, he is also right on his place. The way Jimin leave him, how he go, he is off what he did. Not Jimin isn't fault. He always wait for Yoongi. Come Yoongi. Don't even message him in these 2 years. The most. Jimin is silently sobbing, and then Yoongi went to him and bent down on his level. Jimin see him. He looked into another side. Yoongi hold his both hands and on his hand. Jimin didn't look at him. Tears roll from Yoongi's eyes when he sees Jimin is not looking at him. Yoongi, my baby, it's mad at me. It's mad at me. Jimin didn't give him. Harazan naga garmi. Gave him a response. Yoongi, he have to. He have his Yoongi is first to do mistake and then again he didn't come to meet his Mini. But Mini have to know Yoongi come daily to know his Mini is fine or not, or he is do dinner or not. His Mini of his Mini, because if his Mini don't look at him, what he do? How can he bear? He didn't come in front of his Mini. He didn't talk with him. He didn't come to meet him. But it doesn't mean I forget about my Mini. He said, and tears roll from his eyes. Jimin look at him. Jimin look at him and see Yoongi's crying, tears is falling from his eyes. Yoongi, tell me, whenever someone come and try to you again see them in university or not? Jimin, remember, whenever someone come try to him, he don't come next day. And principal said some students complained about the boy. Yoongi, when your professor called without any reason, he come again or not? He said and look into his eyes. Jimin, no, all this happened, but he is thinking all this happened by Yoongi. Yoongi, forgive me. Any reason come or not? He suddenly looked into his eyes. Jimin, no, all this happened, but she think all this happened by Yoongi. Yoongi, forgive me, please. Jimin, I'm tired now. From now, but if you said this again, I swear. Yoongi says, small hands. Yoongi, I want you. Do you scold me? You do whatever you want. Please. I'm tired. I am tired and I can't stay without you, my angel, anymore. Jimin, me go, no, go and meet with your more. Yoongi, it's just I want to help her. I don't know she do this with me. Jimin, why you are kind hearted? Now you're such by yourself. Jimin, the world is not soft for a soft person like you. Then why you become so kind? Yoongi looking down. Yoongi, I know I am in mistake, but what I do when I stay with Angel, huh, so I become kind-hearted. Jimin, oh yeah, then be kind-hearted. Said and push him. Yoongi, please forgive me. Jimin, no, Yoongi, please. Jimin, you have to earn my forgiveness, and also don't leave me here alone. Earn your forgiveness, Jimin, you have to. He said, and Yoongi wipe his tears. Yoongi, I said, you nah, don't cry. Your tears is precious for me. Jimin, it's fine also because of you. He said, and make up out Yoongi. Now I promise it's never happen again. You cry so much. Now I don't let a single tear come in your eyes. Jimin, yes, you have to. Otherwise, it's good for you. Otherwise, it's not good for you. He said to me and make a big pouch and look into another side. Only Yoongi know how much he misses Scotty Fish. Yoongi, my minute don't give me more reasons to fall for you. I'm already. You may really stay away from me from 3 years and stand behind me. Yoongi, I said, nah, I just don't come in front of you. Otherwise, I am always with you. With Jimin in mind, it's fun to tease you, Yoongi. Yoongi, you come with me in your room. Back your room, miss you so much. Jimin, first I will think, then I tell you. He said and run downstairs. Yoongi, hey, listen, Jimin, please now don't do this with me. He also run behind him. Jimin come downstairs. He see everyone is in the living room. Mrs. Min, finally you both come. Otherwise, I thinking we go back because you don't have any plan to come down. She said in teasing tone, and Jimin eyes wide and look into another side. Mrs. Spark, yeah, and we have to adjust downstairs in room because we don't know. She speak further, but Yoongi come. Yoongi, what happened, guys? Mrs. Min, nothing, just waiting for you, Yoongi, for me. Mrs. Min, yes, Mrs. Park, I thought you both stay upstairs. Yoongi upward. Mrs. Park, you both meet after a long time, and also, so it must take time. Jimin looked down, he become red by the Yoongi up. It's not like that. We are just, and also, it's just, it must take time, Jimin. It's not like that. We are just talking, nothing else, Mrs. Min. And when I said she was Yoongi, Mom, Mrs. Park, yes, we didn't said anything. Why, Jimin? Jimin didn't said anything. Jimin, look at Jimin. I'm not Nona. Mrs. Min, yeah, he's right. Jimin, huh? Yeah, it's friend Yoongi, say Yoongi, mom, please, now don't do this, Mrs. Min. Yeah, we don't do, but it's true, huh? Save him as much you want. What you do when he become. She such make Lisa Yoongi and Jimin shocked. Jimin just want, and now he's feeling Mrs. Park and Mrs. Min. She such make Yoongi Lisa shocked. Jimin just want to Mrs. Pai, Mrs. Min start laughing. Yoongi, please mom, it's enough now. Mrs. Min, what I didn't said wrong now. I will wait so long now. I don't do more wait, okay? Yoongi, what I do with you? Mrs. Park, nothing, just tell you I come in front. Jimin, look at you. Jimin, I'm not. Mrs. Park, nothing. Just tell your come in front of her who's hiding behind you. Yoongi, you are unbelievable, guys. He studies. Mrs. Min, come and sit with us. Jimin, sit with them. No, on one side is Mrs. Park, and on the other side, no, टूट जानी है. The other side is Mrs. Min and Lisa sit in front of them. She is not liking all this. Mrs. Min, Jimin, son, listen. It's true. It's been 3 years you both get, and we also know you both each other so much. Jimin, we want not tell us you complete our wish. We also want to play with our. It's all right, son. We are your mom. You can share with us, Jimin mom. Actually, we are not together, so we didn't think that much all this. So I didn't know anything, Mrs. Min. You talk with Yoongi, Jimin. How can I, Mrs. Min? You will. It's okay, son. Is your. You can talk with him easily. Said him you. We want, and you both think about it. Poor Jimin stuck with these two ladies. Lisa, I don't think it's good to them, Mrs. Park. We are not there. Talk with each other. Excited. Mrs. Min, I will help you. Jimin frowned his eyebrow. Mrs. Min, I tell you how you him. It's easy for you. Jimin eyes wide. Okay, so he's not innocent anymore. Jimin, what? No. It won't happen from me. I'm sorry, Mrs. Min. Seriously, Jimin, he's your. So it's not a big deal. Jimin, no, auntie, I can't do this. What you think about me, Mrs. Min? Mrs. Park, that you are Miss Jimin. No way, Mrs. Min. No, I help you. It's mean I do and final. No one can stop me now. Jimin, but Mrs. Min, no, what I know. No, what I know, Yoongi take you London. He can't stay without you, so I still have 1 week. She's make Lisa in mind. Lisa in mind. Both are mad. What they are doing, Yoongi's only. They can't do this with me. And then Yoongi come. Jimin look at him with his puppy eyes. He save him from these two old ladies. Yoongi hold his hand and drag him toward him. Yoongi, I know you must tease him, Mrs. Min. He's my son. I do whatever I want, Mrs. I don't come with you. Yoongi shocked. Yoongi, where? What happened, Jimin? I don't want to come with you. Mrs. Min, no, you come with us. Jimin, no. Yoongi, Minnie, look at me. He cupped his face. Yoongi, tell me what happened. Why you don't want to come? If you still want time, I don't have any problem. Jimin, Sana's no. Jimin, then what? She heard his soft voice. Mrs. Min, no, the voice is only for Jimin. I am scared. Jung is scared from what Jimin in mind. No, I don't tell him. Jimin, nothing. I still didn't pack anything. Yoongi, it's alright. I will wait for you. You go and do your packing. Mrs. Min, yeah, it's good. Yoongi, you stay here. Jimin, go do your packing. We meet you in home. Yoongi, what you said? Yoongi, Jimin, don't have any option. If he said no, he don't go, then Yoongi thought he's not comfortable. Jimin makeup or Jimin, no, I come with you. Yoongi smile. Yoongi, no one is. यार मां दूध दूध हाँ रख दे दरवाज़ा खोल दो sure. Mrs. Min, if he's saying he's sure you have any problem, Yoongi mom, he's serious. His comfort is first for me. You have to understand, Mrs. Min. Yeah, a true example of. She said, and Jimin smiled. It's true. Well, Mr. Min, so shall we go, Mrs. Min? Yeah, Jimin, he don't allow me, otherwise I take you with me in my car. Yoongi, I'm still Mr. Min. Jimin, if you want to see real life Tom and Jerry, then sit with Yoongi and his mom. Jimin chuckled. Jimin, yes uncle, you are right. Yoongi, let's go. Jimin, I take my things later, mom. Mrs. Park, I will miss you. Jimin, really? You search by yourself. I go, Mrs. Park. I'm kidding. Jimin tightly he meets with his dad and then Lisa. Jimin, you try your best to Nona to separate us, but see what we are still together. Lisa, I will see. Jimin, no, see what you do, but remember. Jimin enter in the room. Jimin enter in the room. Allah, क्या हो गया? हाँ. Jimin enter in the room. Jimin sees his room and then remember everything. For his here the day when Yoongi called him and then take him out. There are moments Yoongi the way he comforts him even he himself is not well. Jimin sees his plushes and on the couch he smiles. Jimin he still have this. They are still new. It's telling how much Yoongi take care of his things. Yoongi enter in the room. Yoongi see him and smile. Now his room looking like a room. Jimin turn. He see Yoongi and fully turn to him. Jimin, you still have this. I thought you through this. Jimin, Yoongi, I have everything which belongs to you. If you want, you can check. He said, and Jimin smiled. Jimin, I am saying, he sees skincare products, makeup products, everything is on their places. Yoongi, go and fresh up. Jimin, I don't have clothes. I didn't take anything. Yoongi, really? I have everything which is related to you, which is related to you. Jimin smile. He is feeling blessed to have Yoongi. Jimin take the pair of a cloth and go for fresh up. Yoongi finally after a long time you're back. Jimin now I sleep peacefully. You don't know how much sleepless nights I spent. He sits on the bed and start to wait for him. He don't know why he's feeling nervous and he's feeling like it's well if he wants he can make it. Jimin come out and started drying his hair. Yoongi see him. He is looking beautiful, looking so beautiful. अच्छा बस and his hair is making him more beautiful. Jimin see Yoongi staring him. He smiled through the mirror. He smiled and looking down. He continued his work and then Valerie hits Yoongi when the door knocked. Jimin who come at this time? Yoongi of course mom. He rolled his eyes. He rolled his eyes and such. He opened the door and Yoongi is right. Mrs. Bin is here. Mrs. Min, it's urgent. Yoongi, give her way to enter inside the room and you go for fresh up. Mrs. Min, I disturb you. Jimin, no, no. Auntie, come sit here. Mrs. Min, I bring something for you. Jimin, for me. Mrs. Min, yeah, it's help you. She said and smiled. Jimin, please, auntie, I can't do this. Please, Mrs. Min, nothing happened. Trust me. She hand over him the box and go from there. Go from the room. Jimin see the box he placed on the couch. He didn't open the box. Jimin, what she gave me? She said she helped me. What is in the box? Maybe some letters which helped me to tell him about Shma. He think and went to open the box. He opened the box and his eyes widened. He again closed the box and Yoongi come out. He see his shocked face. Yoongi, Jimin, what happened? You are looking shocked. Jimin, huh? No, he placed this box on the side. Yoongi, are you sure? Jimin hurriedly nodded. Yoongi, what mom gave you? Jimin, huh? Nothing, Yoongi, I. Jimin is behaving weird. Yoongi, are you sure? Jimin, yeah. Yoongi, you are hiding something from me. Jimin, no, why I hide from you? Yoongi went to him and Jimin hold the box. Jimin, no, I don't give you this. Yoongi, if it's empty, then why you place on the couch? Huh? Jimin, he started thinking what she said. Yoongi cupped his face. Yoongi take the box from him and place on the side. Yoongi tell me what's inside the box. He said and Jimin make up out. He gave me no. He no matter what I will want, but Yoongi understands him, and if he is not ready for something, then Yoongi can't can handle the situation easily. Yoongi, tell me. Jimin, Mama and Auntie said they want, and I stay silent. Said she helped me in this, and I was shocked, but now I understand what she wanted to say. Yoongi thought to tease him. Yoongi, how she said she helped you? Jimin, she said she gave me something and she gave me this box. Yoongi, what is inside the box? Jimin, she make up out. Yoongi heard. Jimin, no, Yoongi, look at me. Jimin, Sanas, no, Jimin, I know you tease me. Yoongi, no, I will not look at me. Jimin, back slowly, he look at him. Yoongi, same and start laughing. Jimin, make up out and push him. Jimin, you are so bad. Yoongi, okay, sorry, listen, come sit. Jimin, sit in front of him. Both sit on the bed. Yoongi, say, listen me carefully. Jimin, don't listen them. Okay, so you just see yourself you are comfortable or not. If you are not, then it's okay. We don't have any problem. I will handle everyone. No one asks you. Okay, Jimin, in mind, I already know Yoongi. That's why I tell you without any hesitation, Yoongi. Jimin, are you listening me? Jimin, yes, I am. Yoongi, now don't take stress. Okay. Jimin smile. Jimin is showing him Yoongi. What happened? Jimin again. Yoongi is shocked by the sudden. Jimin, you are best. Yoongi is. He said in Yoongi smile. Yoongi, why? What I did? Jimin, how can a person is that much understanding? हाँ यार बस हो गई मेरी That much understanding. Jimin, Yoongi, I'm only for you, Jimin, I know. He begged and passed him a smile. Yoongi, only I know how much I miss your smile. Jimin, me too. No one is there to understand me as you do. He said and make up out. Okay, so you all know it's his habit to make up out. Jimin, let's sleep. I'm sleepy. Yoongi, whom he nodded and both lay on the bed. Both are silent. And then Jimin sit on the bench. Yoongi, what happened? Jimin, my plushie. He went to the couch and take his plushie. He again lay on the bed and Yoongi, see Yoongi, what is this? Jimin, watch my plushie. I miss my plushie so much. He said and Jimin, Yoongi become. He turned his face. His back is facing Jimin. Jimin, what happened? Yoongi, Yoongi didn't give him any response. Jimin, Yoongi, listen me. Tell me now what happened with you. Yoongi, Jimin, now you are sleepy, right? Sleep, Jimin. You said you are because I am sleepy. Yoongi didn't give him any response. Jimin, please, Yoongi, you said you understand me, but now you are saying this. Hi Laji, Yoongi sit on the bed. Jimin turned, he looked at him and sit on the bed. Yoongi, seriously, you are thinking this? Jimin, then why you are mad at me? Jimin, because of Yoongi, because of this. His point toward the plushie. Jimin, huh? He looked at him. Jimin, I didn't understand anything he said and make up out. Yoongi, I don't like your plushie because of this. You don't. Jimin, huh? You are me. Because of this, Jimin, I am not at you. Just I am. Huh? Leave it. He said and again lay on the bed. Jimin understand. He places his plushie on the side. Jimin, sorry. Yoongi, sleep now. Jimin, we will talk later. Jimin, sorry now, please. You know your Jiminy is sensitive. He's such a cute voice. Yoongi, turn and take him in his. Jimin, sorry. आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ मैं सदके जाऊँ इधर आ जा सिम्बा सिम्बा सिम्बो रानी सिम्बा शहजादी इधर आ जा सिम्बा सिम्बो सिम्बा सिम्बा सिम्बो बहुत ही बदतमीज है सिम्बा Next day, Jimin is the one who wake up first. He sits on the bed, Yoongi same sleeping peacefully. He see the time, don't you have to go office, and mostly Jimin have to go college. Jimin calls someone. Jimin, hey Jin, tell me today you are coming college or not? Jin, no bro, I don't have any plan. Jimin, so I don't go. It means Jin, yeah, what you do without me in college? Jimin, yeah, it's true. What I do without me, Jen. He said dramatically and chuckle. He cut the call. He don't know someone is hearing everything. He about to go, but someone holds his hand, and Jimin is his eyes widen. Jimin, Yoongi, what? With whom you are talking with early in the morning? Jimin, I am talking with Jen. Yoongi, who is she? Jimin, she is my friend. Yoongi, अजान ना कर बस होगी फिर अल्लाह बस होगी Jimin, you didn't even meet her. Okay, sorry guys, I am in my home garage, so it's normal, you know. You didn't even meet her, Yoongi, and I don't want to meet her also. Jimin, Yoongi is as for Jimin. Okay, leave me. We will talk about this matter later. Jimin, try to sit on the bed. Yoongi, no. He turned the position. Jimin is burdened. Jimin, what are you doing? Yoongi, what I am doing? He said. Jimin, know what she is going. Jimin, look at me. Yoongi, look at me. Jimin, look at him. Yoongi, Jimin, flinch. He also, Yoongi, your part, she gave him up. And Jimin didn't waste time. He went to the bathroom. Simba, Simba, Simba शहजादी तुम लोग तो चुप कर जाओ हाँ यूनिक का घर घर नहीं चिड़ियाघर है Jimin, fresh up, he come out from come out. Don't wait for Yoongi. Jimin, good morning. He see Mr. and Mrs. Min. Mrs. Min, good morning, son. Come and sit with us. Jimin, sit with them. Mr. Min, where is Yoongi? Jimin, here. Yoongi, here I am. He said and sit beside Jimin. Mr. Min, don't you have to go office? Yoongi, I have a meeting. After that, I go office. Mr. Min, whom you thought to make see your Yoongi dad Hoseok is the best for this Yoongi Mr. Min, so what you think Yoongi, I take Jimin with me hi Simbo Lani sorry है मेरी शहजादी सो रही है when you have a cat as a pet you have to do all this Mrs. Min, but you don't know how to make a dinner, right? Jimin, no, auntie, I know. I stay in hostel. I learn everything. Jimin, if Mrs. Min, if Yungi was the owner of the hostel, then Jimin, then I never learned the cooking. Both chuckle and go in the kitchen and start to make breakfast. Mrs. Min, yeah, you're go to know about this. He will, Jimin, he don't do anything. Don't try. Jimin is working in the kitchen, and then he remembers something. Jimin, what is Nona meaning now? We are going London. What she's thinking to do? He's in his thoughts, and then he, whenever I see his hand, it's not Jimin art. It like river from he Mr. Min. Because he is only available in the kitchen. He's on. Sorry, in the living room. You only become mad. Jimin come in the room. He sits on the bed. He is scared from Yoongi's reaction. How he will react? Yoongi said him, "Don't do any work," but he didn't listen. He know very well. Yoongi scolded him. He is preparing himself. Yoongi is busy in his office hall. He call him and Jimin don't tell him. And now he is waiting for Yoongi to come. Mrs. Min also said him, "Don't do this," but he didn't listen, and he is feeling it's first time he thought to make something here, and what she did now they don't let him go in the kitchen. He is just busy in his thoughts. How can he is so careless? He is thinking, and then the door opens. Jimin hide his hand. He see Yoongi entering the room and he stand up. Yoongi see him sit on the bed. Jimin, how was your day? Yoongi, it's not good at all. I am tired. Jimin, oh, go fresh up. I ask about dinner and then come. He about to go. Yoongi speak. Yoongi, show me your hand. He said, and Jimin freeze on his spot. How he got to know? Looking down, he shows his hand to Yoongi. Yoongi see that and then look at Jimin, who is looking down. Jimin, Yoongi explanation. He said and Jimin look at him. Jimin, I said, Auntie, I make breakfast, but she stopped me. I didn't listen her. I was in my thoughts and it's happened. I promise it's never happen again. I promise also it's not me. He said and Yoongi raises eyebrow. Yoongi, how much? Doctor apply. Jimin 5. Yoongi, and it's not. He asked him and Jimin hardly sign as no. He just want Yoongi don't. But she innocent don't know. Yoongi know how much is Jimin is too sensitive. Yoongi, it's alright. I won't call you. You can share with me. He said. Jimin see sincerely in his eyes. He looking down and starts sobbing. Of course. Yoongi stand up and hug him. Jimin, it's so bad. Yoongi, what I do? I don't know. See, Yoongi, who said you go in the kitchen? You do this, huh? Jimin, I know cooking. I learned when I was in the hostel. Simbo Rani, उठ जा. I thought to do cooking, but see, Yoongi, oh, okay, it will be alright. Jimin, see, now it's Yoongi, do dinner I give you, so it's your, so you're gone. He said, and Jimin nodded. Jimin, I thought you may, Yoongi, I do, but you know how to match me. He said, and Jimin smiled. Jimin, yes, he giggled. Yoongi said, Yoongi sighed, he amazed by his mood. Jimin, now how can I eat? Yoongi, you have two hands, right? So each with your second. And Jimin makeup out. He give him clear. Jimin, oh really? Why you are here for, huh? Yoongi, oh yeah, I feed you, don't worry. Jimin, go and fresh up. Yoongi nodded and he got Jimin sit on the bed. Jimin, so today again, I got to know one more thing. Jimin, Yoongi never coming, no matter what's the situation. He said and feeling proud on himself. He has worked best. He sees his hand and makeup out. Yoongi come out. Mrs. Min come with the food. Yoongi, where were you lost? Where were you when? Jimin, I said, no, it's not her mistake. I said, Jimin, still, mom, you know he's kid. You have to be mature, Mrs. Jimin. You and you'll leave us alone and go London as soon as possible. She said and hand over him a food and go, Jimin, Yoongi, what you did? He about to go, but Yoongi stopping Yoongi. I do this intentionally. I want to give her surprise. Like, dear, Jimin, huh? Really? When Yoongi, the day after tomorrow? Jimin, oh, okay, I understand. Yoongi now do the dinner. Yoongi start to feed him and then he give him. Jimin, now you take rest. I have some work. He start to do his work on the laptop. Jimin can't even use phone because of his hand. So he's staring Yoongi and remember Lisa words and then a notification pop on the screen. And Jimin see and his eyes widen. Simba, Simba. बहुत ही ढीठ है Simba. Okay, so finally finish. Here is the third part. Hope so you like. If you like, then subscribe and also tell me in comments. Take care of yourself.